Okay, we are getting ready to start teacher development, professional summer development week 2, and I'm going to keep you guys posted on what happens. Hey YouTube, so it is day 2 of the summer professional development week 2, day 2. Yesterday I didn't get to finish filling you guys in on what all we did because not too long afterwards, thankfully I got done with the professional development, but not too long afterwards there was a thunderstorm, power went out for a while, and then the phone was about half charged, but I wanted to afterwards finish charging it, and I didn't, while the power was off, I didn't want to be wasting my battery. So there we go. Now it's today, professional development day 2. Yesterday, we basically just went over some classroom management strategies. There is this, I know it's a book, but the program is called Teach Like a Champion, and that is the classroom management model that we are working on following last year and even more so this year. So we just did strategies basically all day, except for breaks and things like that. Today, we started to continue that process, but the presenter had some technology issues, and so we've just been discussing what the upcoming school year is going to look like. Not that stuff is set in stone, of course, yet, but just brainstorming what are our concerns? What do we need to be prepared for? What questions do we have? How can we structure it? And really bringing teachers' thoughts to the forefront and working from there. So we are on a break right now. When we come back from it, we will find out what we're going to do the rest of the day, if our presenter got his technology back and up and going, and what's going to happen. So I will keep you guys posted. Okay, so we came back for a little bit, had some closing discussion, and since our presenter is still having technical difficulties, we're just postponing till tomorrow, so I'm free! But I'm sure maybe tomorrow will go a little longer than expected, but we had some good discussion, so I'm off to do other things. Okay, so it is Wednesday, which means it is day 3 of online professional development for the second week, and we are on our lunch break now, so I thought now would be a good time to fill you in real quick. It's been going really, really well today. We had a little bit of, we're still continuing with the whole classroom management strategies that we're going over, but today we were allowed to work in our breakout groups and plan more for our specific age level, and we did practices where we practiced pretending the other teachers basically were students, and one of them was, I guess you could say, the off-task student, and we practiced using those intervention methods and what it should look like when we correct that student and how to do it in a positive way. So it's been very, very good. I think we're going to do some more of this kind of thing when we come back after lunch, and we are having a longer day today to make up from yesterday, but not by a whole lot. So hopefully we don't run over too late in the day because, you know, there's always other things to do in the afternoon. But so far so good. I know you just heard the microwave. That is my lunch, so I'm going to go eat, and I will catch you up later. That is it for today. We just had a little bit more discussion and had some question answer time and a little bit more practice, and did our exit ticket, which is just a feedback form, and we're done for the day. So today I had my eye doctor appointment, so it is day 4 of week 2 of summer professional development, and I had both my dentist appointment today and my eye doctor appointment today, so I got my little glasses, but because of this I did not participate in the online learning with the group today. I got clearance from my principal to take the day off essentially, but they post everything afterwards. They've been recording the online collaborations and things like that and posting them for us to view later, so as long as I go back, follow up, and still do the feedback form, I am good to go. So with that said, I'm going into a 3-day weekend, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, share, ring the bell. So long from the little greenhouse.